So are you also running a healthcare clinic and are you also still taking all the appointments manually? Then this video can be really helpful for you. So hello all, welcome back to Pabbly, and in this video we are going to understand how to build an AI assistant for booking appointments in healthcare. So I'm also running a healthcare clinic and we regularly receive user queries for appointment booking on WhatsApp. But this is such a time consuming and a tedious task to reply to all of them manually. So to solve this problem, I've simply created an AI assistant WhatsApp chatbot. And now whenever my user is going to send me a message, an automatic reply will be sent towards my user. Also, this AI agent is going to help my user to book the appointments. So if you also want to see how this works and if you also want to create this for your own healthcare clinic, then for that you have to come with me towards my screen. Welcome to my screen everyone. So in this video I'll show you how to create an AI assistant WhatsApp chatbot for your own healthcare clinic so that you can automate the appointment booking. So to do this, I'm just going to open my WhatsApp and first I'm just going to show you the proper working of this AI assistant. So let's say I'm just going to type, hey, I need help right over here, and I'm just going to simply send them this message which is, hey, I need help. And once I'm just going to send them this message, automatically my AI assistant WhatsApp chatbot is going to reply, I am here to help. What do you need assistance with? So let's say I'm just going to ask them a question which is, are appointments available on Sundays or public holidays? And I'm just going to simply send them this message. And once I'm just going to send them this message, an automated reply will be generated and I'm just going to get the reply and it is saying, appointments are not available on Sundays as the clinic is closed. For public holidays, it depends on the clinic schedule. It's best to check directly with the clinic for those days. Alright, so let's say I'm just going to ask them another question which is there a cancellation fee if I miss my appointment? So now I'm just going to get the reply right over here. So I'm just going to wait till my AI assistant WhatsApp chatbot is replying me, and as you can see it is saying, yes, if you missed your appointment, no show after 15 minutes, you may need to reschedule, which could involve a cancellation fee. Now let's say I want to book an appointment with Dr. Rohan. So I'm just going to ask for the same right over here. How do I book an appointment with Dr. Rohan Mehta? And I'm just going to send them this message. And once I'm just going to send them this message, within seconds and in real time, this AI assistant WhatsApp chatbot has given me all the details for online booking, for WhatsApp or for phone call. Dr. Rohan Mehta is available from Monday to Saturday 9 a.m. to 1 p.m. and the rest of the details. So I can book the appointment directly following this message. So yes, you can see within seconds and in real time this chatbot is solving all the user queries related to booking appointments. So yes, if you also want to create this amazing AI assistant for your own healthcare clinic, then watch this tutorial till the end. But before, you must be thinking how this AI assistant knows about my clinic so much that when Dr. Mehta is available, why it is giving cancellation fees, and what's the schedule for Sundays. So over here I have simply created a knowledge base for my own healthcare clinic, and using this knowledge base only, my AI assistant is replying to all the user queries. You're going to see all the details of Dr. Mehta right over here, right? So yes, I'm just going to show you how to do this. For that, I'm just going to simply open a new tab and I'm just going to search for the landing page of Pabbly Chatflow simply by searching pabbly.com/chatflow in my browser. So I'm just going to simply open the landing page of Pabbly Chatflow right over here. And now after opening the landing page of Pabbly Chatflow, we are just going to move on further and create this AI assistant WhatsApp chatbot. But before we move on further, I'll just show you something really helpful. This is the Pabbly community where automation users, business owners and marketers connect. Pabbly community is a space where users share their ideas, solutions, workflow tips and doubts. So if you are stuck at any step, the community is a great resource for guidance. And if you also want to join this amazing community, the link is given in the description box below. Make sure to check it out. Alright, I'm just going to move on further and create this AI assistant WhatsApp chatbot. For that, I'm just going to go back towards the landing page of Pabbly Chatflow. And we're going to see that we are running an Independence Day sale. So you can check it out and try Pabbly Chatflow and purchase Pabbly Chatflow today. Alright, over here we're just going to get two options. One is sign in and the another one is sign up for free. So if you are a new user, you can simply click on this sign up for free and you're going to get 100 credits free every month. month to try Pabbly Chatflow. Over here, I'm an existing user, so I'm simply going to click on this button which says sign in. And once I'm just going to click on this sign in, it is opening all Pabbly apps. And over here, going to see all the tools and applications offered by Pabbly. But in today's video, we are going to use Pabbly Chatflow because I want to automate marketing, sales, and customer support over WhatsApp. So I'm just going to simply click on this access now right over here to access my Pabbly Chatflow account. And once I'm just going to click on this access now, it is going to open the dashboard of my Pabbly Chatflow account. And to start with creating an AI assistant, we first have to add a WhatsApp number inside Pabbly Chatflow. And how are we going to do that? For that, you simply have to go towards this add WhatsApp number button given right over here. And you're going to get two options, the WhatsApp Connect and the manual token connect. So you don't have to worry, a video tutorial dedicated towards both of these methods have been attached in the description box below. You can check it out and add your WhatsApp number. I have already added my WhatsApp number as you can see right over here. So I'm just going to move on further with creating this AI assistant. So on the left hand of the side, you can see all the features of Pabbly Chatflow, and today I'm just going to use this AI assistant feature because this video is only going to focus on how to create an AI assistant. If you want to learn about any another feature of Pabbly Chatflow in detail, a video tutorial has been attached in the description box below for all of these features in detail. So you can check it out. I'm just going to move on towards this AI assistant right over here. And now after coming over here, you're going to see the total AI assistants I have in this account, the active one and the inactive one too. I'm just going to create a new AI assistant. So I'm just going to click on this add AI assistant, and now it is asking me for the assistant name. So I'm just going to simply name it as this Healing Nest Health Clinic and click on this add AI assistant button. And once I'm just going to click on this add AI assistant button, it is going to open a window something like this in front of us. And now it is asking me to select the instruction type for custom prompt or pre-built examples. So if you want to give custom instructions, you can simply select the instruction type as custom prompt, and you can give a custom prompt right over here to your AI assistant. We also have some pre-built example like AI agent, customer support agent, sales agent, and much more. So you can select any one of this pre-built example too. I'm just going to select one from this only, which is AI agent. And now we don't have to change any instructions. If you wish to add some or delete some, you can do the same. I'm just going to keep it as same only and move on further. And now it is asking me for the temperature. So we have to set how creative the AI answers is going to be. So if you set the temperature near 0, the AI is going to answer more focused. And if you set the temperature towards 1, the AI is going to answer more creatively. So according to your own choice, you can set the temperature. I'm just going to keep it as 0.3 right over here and move on further. It is asking me to select the AI to use. So I'm just going to simply select Open AI. And now for the model, I'm just going to select GPT-4o Mini. You can select any another of your choice too. Alright, I'm just going to move on further. It is asking me for the API key. And how are we going to get this API key? For that, over here is the option of OpenAI API key page. So over here is the hyperlink of the same. So I'm just going to simply click on this hyperlink and open my OpenAI API key page. And as you can see that this is the same page. Now what we have to do is we simply have to go towards this create new secret key button. And now it is asking me for the key names. You can simply enter a key name, select the project and click on this create secret key button, and your key will be created. You can simply copy this key and then you can simply paste it right over here in your AI assistant. And then we simply have to click on this button which says connect, and as you can see OpenAI key saved successfully. And now we can move on further. It is asking me for the assistant settings. So over here, if you wish to add the header message, you can simply switch it on and add the header message. Same goes for the footer message too. And if you want to use this top keywords, what you can do is you can simply switch on this top keywords. And you must be wondering what is this top keywords. So over here you have to enter the keywords that the user can type to stop the AI assistant. So let's say your user want to talk with the human. So you can simply add the keyword as human right over here and you can press enter to add this keyword. And once your user is going to type human, automatically the AI assistant is going to stop right there, and automatically this chat is going to go towards the intervene section where you'll require a human review and open the chat further for AI assistant. So yes, if the user types human, automatically this AI assistant is going to stop. So you can simply add this stop keywords right over here. I'm just going to keep it as blank only for now and move on further. It is asking me for the retry attempt. So what is this retry attempt? So you can simply switch it on, and over here you have to specify the fallback retry attempts if the AI assistant fails to respond. The valid range is 1 to 10. Alright, now I'm just going to move on further. Next is the fallback message. So we have to enter the message to display when the AI assistant API key is not responding correctly. So you can simply add your support email address right over here. I'm just going to simply add the support email address this right over here. And as you can see that you can also simply add this support email so that your user can contact you at your email address when the AI assistant is not responding correctly. Now with this, we have successfully completed this AI instructions and we can move on further towards this knowledge source. So as I've already mentioned in the starting of this video that we are going to use this knowledge source in order to generate automated replies. So what you have to do is you simply have to add the knowledge source in a Google Doc, and then you have to go towards this file download, and you have to download this file in TXT format. So why I'm saying TXT format? Because AI assistant in Pabbly Chatflow only accepts the format of .txt. So you have to keep in mind that the file should be in TXT format while you upload it. Alright, I'm just going to simply upload this file right over here because I have already downloaded it. So as you can see that I've successfully uploaded this file right over here. You're going to see file upload and processed successfully. You're going to see the time and the vector ID too. This is the proof that we have successfully uploaded our knowledge base. Now I'm just going to move in further towards this AI interface. Now it is asking me for the header display heading name. So I'm just going to simply keep the heading name as my brand name, which is Healing Nest Health Clinic. Now I'm just going to move in further for the subheading. I'm just going to keep it as same only. Now I'm just going to move on further. For the initial message, you can add up to 2 initial messages. You can simply type the initial message and press enter to add the same. And now I'm just going to move on further. It is saying disable the Power by Pabbly logo. So if you wish to disable this, you can simply disable this right from here, and if you want to enable this, you can simply enable it right from here, and Powered by Pabbly will appear. Now over here it is asking me for the footer text. So if you wish, you can definitely add the footer text and also the footer link right over here. So you must be wondering, what is this user first message? So this message will be sent as the initial message from the user over WhatsApp. So I'm just going to simply keep the user first message as hey, I need help. Now I'm just going to move on further towards the next, which is styling. So over here you can style your WhatsApp chatbot. You can change the fonts, colors, pictures and much more. So if you wish, you can definitely style the WhatsApp chatbot from the styling section. And after doing all of this, what you have to do is you simply have to switch on this button, which is activate the AI assistant, and click on this save AI assistant. And yes, with this we have successfully saved this AI assistant, and also we have successfully created this AI assistant. And now let's say you want to add this AI assistant on your website. So what you can do is you can simply go towards this embedded right from here, and now from here you're going to get the script. You can simply use this script to add this AI assistant on your website. Alright, otherwise what you can do is if you want to assign this AI assistant to a particular contact list, you can go towards this left hand of the side towards this settings and then towards this inbox settings. I'm just going to open this inbox settings in a new tab, and after opening this I'm just going to scroll it, and we're going to see the option of AI auto reply settings. So we simply have to enable this right from here, and then you simply have to select the contacts list for which you want to enable this setting and click on this save, and automatically it will be enabled, which is the AI assistant will be enabled for the same contact list, and you can simply click on this save to do this. And with this I've successfully did this, and now I'm just going to move on further, and over here with this we have successfully created the AI assistant. And now let's test this in real time once again. So I'm just going to simply clear the previous conversation and I'm just going to start fresh. So I'm just going to message hey, I need help right over here, and I'm just going to start fresh. And this time I'm just going to show the knowledge base with the questions I'm just going to ask one by one. So yes, you can see that once I'm just going to enter hey, I need help, it is saying what do you need assistance with. So let's say this time I'm just going to ask about the payment options they have. No, let's say first I'm just going to ask about the clinic timings. So I'm just going to ask what are the clinic timings, and I'm just going to simply send them this message. And once I'm just going to send them this message, automatically it is going to give me the clinic timings which we have entered right over here in the knowledge base. Monday to Saturday 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. and Sunday closed. So as you can see, it has successfully given me the same. Let's say I'm just going to ask the next question as what is the consultation fee for a general physician. So I'm just going to simply send them this message, and over here it is going to reply me. So I'm just going to wait for the reply right over here. And as you can see that my AI assistant has replied me successfully. So now I'm just going to move on further, ask another question, which is do you offer same day appointments, and I'm just going to wait for the reply right over here. And as you can see, yes, it has successfully replied me yes, same day appointments may be available depending on the doctor's schedule. So yes, you can see that this AI assistant WhatsApp chatbot is running perfectly fine in real time. Now let's say I'm just going to open this knowledge base and I'm just going to ask them about Dr. Vivek Sharma. So I'm just going to say Dr. Vivek Sharma, details please. And I'm just going to simply send this message, and as you're going to see that it has successfully shared me the details of Vivek Sharma right over here. And with this we have successfully completed this AI assistant. And now I'll suggest you go and try this amazing AI assistant for your own healthcare clinic, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Chatflow. And while trying, if you have any questions related to the video or the workflow, you can directly comment on this video. See you in the next video with many more automation tips, everyone. Thank you for watching. So not only this, but with the help of Pabbly Chatflow, you can create multiple chatbots which are tailored to your specific business needs. So now if you have any questions, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com, and if you have any pricing related issues, you can follow this URL. And now go try this amazing WhatsApp chatbot for your own business too, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Chatflow.